I wasn't sure how fast the videos would come out or how fast the trailer would actually sell. So this is going to be a video series that is going to come out every single day. So after you're watching this video, the same time tomorrow, the next video will be ready, and then so on. This is a 4-video part series. So make sure you guys hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That way you guys are notified when the next video is out and you don't miss this opportunity to see some pretty good profit. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. Today's video, we got this trailer sitting here. I had to take the tongue off because the garage door wouldn't fit, because it's actually catching on the turbo of the engine over there. But anyway, so I picked this trailer up for 400 bucks and it needs some work. The only thing that's going for it is it's a solid frame, has some pretty heavy duty axles. It's a 12-foot car trailer, doesn't have a dovetail or anything, so it's difficult. So I'm gonna kind of try to steer it towards like a UTV, snowmobile, stuff like that, you know, utility trailer kind of thing. And the whole point of this video is to see what I can make out of this. So I bought it for $400. We're gonna be putting some work into it. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit later about what I plan on doing to this thing right now. 400 bucks. I'm gonna try to turn it to 1,500. Don't forget about our 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Here is a brand new, never used, in the box, double-din car stereo with GPS, subwoofer outputs, and even a rear backup camera. Comes with everything, free of charge to you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, take a screenshot of it or a picture if you're using your TV, and send it over to _Gotti's Garage on Instagram. And then at 5,000 subscribers, one of you lucky ones will be chosen at random, and then you get to enjoy a brand new double-din car radio from Gotti's Garage. So enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So things I got for this trailer, I don't know if you guys are following. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button because you should be. The only issues with this trailer is the deck. So the boards are all rotten, so they're needing to be replaced. I'm not sure if the lights work, but it does need all new wiring. So as far as the wiring goes, all I can see is one right there and one right there. Nothing for the plug. So I actually hauled this thing. It was like an hour and a half away with no lights or anything. It has trailer brakes on the front axle, so we'll probably have to, you know, put in a with a conjunction box and all that stuff, unless there was a conjunction box on this. I don't know yet. My plans are, if I have to upgrade the lights, we'll do LED lights all the way around. Really, you just need this marker light, marker light, marker light, marker light, tail light, tail light. And I think that's it. We'll have to wire in the trailer brakes. It does need new tires. They're all holding air. This thing pulls perfect. You know, it's fine. The tires are cracked up a little bit. These are very, very heavy duty, very sturdy. You can tell they're homemade, but they actually work very well. Down there, you can see the trailer brake, the wires that go to it. That is it for the trailer. Video is a kind of just introductory. I'm not entirely sure what exactly I want to do yet. The first thing is I pull these boards up to kind of get a look underneath of it, because I'm not crawling underneath of it while it's all melty and snowy. It came with a 1 7/8 ball hitch thing, so we are going to be upgrading to a 2-inch. So anyways, I hope you guys want to see more of this. This is going to be the trailer restoration video. I haven't quite came up with a name yet, but anyways, the point of this trailer was I found it for $400 on Marketplace. My thought was, you can't find a trailer for $400, yet alone a car trailer for $400 anymore. So buy it up. You know, I bought it as fast as possible. I left right that minute, went and got it, fix it, restore it, so that somebody would be motivated to spend, you know, who knows, maybe $2,000. We'll see how it comes out. I'm gonna paint the frame just to kind of make it look nice. You guys hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, shoot some ideas what you want to see on this car trailer.
That pain inside, don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more.